The cloud infrastructure market is worth almost $100 billion, a quarter, and it's growing rapidly. The numbers are staggering. The hyperscale cloud companies are among the largest in the world. The whiff of a cloud deal made Larry Ellison of Oracle, however briefly, the richest man in the world. Naturally, when you've invested so much in something, you'll want to manage it effectively. But finding a good cloud management tool can be very, very hard. And once you do find a good tool, well, you're going to be working with the vendor closely on high-value problems. A productive, positive relationship will be crucial. That's why we here at Software Reviews, brought to you by Infotech Research Group, have developed the Emotional Footprint. It's a unique way of evaluating products based on 25 questions that probe deep into the heart of the relationship between the vendor and the customer. What's the service experience? How are they at conflict resolution? What's the negotiation like? Do they have a positive approach to innovation? And do their products drive meaningful impact? There are 25 measures across these categories, and you should definitely check out the full report for more details. It's an entertaining read. You can even find the Big Fat Liar score. We make sure to verify every reviewer, and there are hundreds of reviews across the products included in the report. Only a select, elite few can win the Champions Badge. The vendors we looked at for cloud management are Oracle, BMC, ServiceNow, Amazon, Kinesis specifically, Red Hat, VCF, Microsoft, Amazon Systems Manager, and Google. Our winners, with impressive positive net emotional footprints and very high CX scores, are Google, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft. Congratulations to these three vendors for beating out the competition and earning the Champions Badge. Let's talk about why they landed where they did. We'll start with Google. Google Cloud Platform is an impressive collection of services, many of them best in class. When it comes to managing their diverse cloud resources, customers appreciate the Google offering. For one, our reviewers see Google as a transparent partner, with 98% of respondents having a positive view, most of them very positive. Top marks to Google for transparency in their dealings. An impressive 96% report that Google puts its clients' interests first versus its own, and a full 100% have a positive view of Google as an assistant to innovation rather than a roadblock. If you're looking to use your cloud platforms to bolster your innovation plans, Google has a track record that you can count on. Those who work with data love Google Cloud. One of our reviewers said, "I've tried different cloud platforms, but Google Cloud always feels like the one that gets data people." The cloud management features reflect Google's commitment to helping its customers make data-driven decisions, and that shows up in its Emotional Footprint Champions Badge. Congratulations to Google. Our next champion is AWS. AWS is the original infrastructure as a service provider, and the considerable time that AWS's services have been available to customers has not been wasted. An impressive 90% of respondents are likely to recommend Systems Manager, that's Amazon's feature-rich management platform, and 99% plan to renew. The net emotional footprint score is high at plus 95, and our respondents and their customers describe AWS as respectful, fair, performance-enhancing, and over-delivering. Don't take my word for it. When asked for recommendations for someone considering AWS Systems Manager, one reviewer said, "Go for it, thank me later." And he left a little smiley face as well. Emojis speak louder than words, but Champions Badges speak louder than emojis. So congratulations to AWS for earning the Champions Badge. Our final champion is not surprising to anyone who's used the cloud: Microsoft, specifically Azure Arc. Microsoft's Azure is a go-to cloud platform for enterprises and really anyone looking for a dependable partner. Microsoft's plaudits are well-earned. 89% of customers are likely to recommend its cloud management product, with 99% planning to renew, and a plus 92 net emotional footprint. One user describes it as beautiful and intuitive, which are not adjectives that append to most of the enterprise tech that I use, except Infotech.com. Overall, pros of working with Microsoft on cloud management include reliability, innovation, respect, which is so important, and security. There you have it. Congratulations to Google, AWS, and Microsoft. If you need to manage your cloud resources, which, let's face it, are probably in one of their clouds anyway, these vendors offer great experiences. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the full report at Infotech.com.